Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to set up the DeepSeek proxy in Janitor AI. Many users prefer using DeepSeek because it offers high quality response and you can often be cheaper or even free depending on which model you choose. Today, I will guide you through the process using OpenRouter, which is the most reliable way to connect these two services. The first step is to create an account on OpenRouter. Once you have logged in, head over to the Settings menu and look for the Key section. Click on Create Key and give it a name like Janitor AI. It is very important that you copy this key immediately and save it somewhere safe because you will not be able to see it again once you close the window. Now, keep that key ready and open the Janitor AI website. Log in and go into any of your chats. In the top right corner of the chat window, you will see three dots or a gear icon for settings. Click that and select API settings from the menu. Under the API provider section, you want to click on Proxy. This will open up a few more boxes for you to fill in. In the box labeled Proxy URL, you need to paste the Open Router link, which is https://openrouter.ai/v1/chat/completion. Next, look for the model name box. If you want to use the latest DeepSeek model, you should type DeepSeek slash DeepSeek chat or DeepSeek slash DeepSeek R1 free. Make sure you type this exactly as shown without any extra spaces. Now, find the field for the API key and paste the long code you copied from OpenRouter earlier. Once everything is filled out, scroll down and click on Save Settings. It is a good idea to refresh your page at this point to make sure the connection is active. You should now see a message at the top of your chat saying using proxy. You can test it out by sending a simple message to the bot. If you get a network error, just try refreshing the page one more time as it can take a moment for the initial connection to sync up. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more AI guides. If you have any trouble with the setup, leave a comment below and I will try to help you out. Thanks for watching.